All right, so let's get those windows in the roof drawn. I got my door, I got one window, I got one window to go. I'll just do one for now. I'm going to orbit my screen a little bit so you can see my window, and I want to draw the glass back in. The glass is going to be a line, and the line is going to be drawn from the middle of this little chunk of wall here, all the way across to this midpoint, to that midpoint, to that midpoint. I can't see these midpoints yet because they're blocked. I have to turn the camera, but watch. I'm gonna go to this first corner and zoom in on it. See how the pencil kind of jumps and then grabs onto the midpoint of my line automatically? I can go on endpoints or midpoints. I'm gonna click the mouse here, okay, then drag over to my orbit tool. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, orbit around a little bit so you can see the next midpoint. Zoom in and go back to the pencil tool. Look, it's still going. I'm going to this midpoint. Click. And again, orbit, zoom out, orbit a little bit, and go pencil tool, and go to that midpoint. Oops, pencil stopped. Try it again. Orbit, pencil, midpoint. So I have two chunks of the glass done. Two more to go. Orbit up, pencil tool, grab that midpoint, and I'm going to orbit to the third corner, which is over here. Pencil tool to that midpoint, and then last one goes from midpoint to that final midpoint. And watch. See, the glass showed up. Now it's just a matter of painting that glass with some kind of a translucent material. And I don't know if this has it on the online version, which I'm on right now. But if you're on the computer, it should work just to find the... There we go. Glass and mirrors. We got it. Good. How about nice yellow glass? And paint it. There, one window done. One more to go. So that's how you draw the windows. Again, it's midpoint to midpoint to midpoint to midpoint. All right, now the roof. I'm just going to do a nice little peak roof on this house. And I'm going to draw a line, again, from the midpoint of my wall. I'm going to go straight blue. I might go maybe 24 inches up and stop that line. Do another line, this endpoint, midpoint over here. There it is. I'm going to go 24 more inches straight up blue. And I'm going to connect those two. Got it. Now I got to draw my slants from the corners to the corners. From the peak to the corner. And see how the shape fills in? If all your lines are lined up and on the same plane, that line will show up and the surface will show up. My last two little chunks. And then here. Oops, I missed. See that? I missed the line. This didn't show up. I'm going to undo that. Try it again. Go from here to there. Roof is done. I can erase off these little lines I drew here earlier to make it look a little cleaner. Then I'll paint it. I don't know if you have a 3D warehouse here on the online version, so you really can't do much to add those things. But on the computer, you can go up to the 3D warehouse and add things. So there's the windows, and there is the roof. Good luck with those two.